Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a PayPal account under 18. PayPal's terms of service require users to be at least 18 years old to open an account independently. However, a minor can still utilize PayPal services through an account opened and managed by a parent or legal guardian. This approach ensures compliance with PayPal's policies while allowing younger individuals to engage in online transactions safely and responsibly. The adult will be the primary account holder. To set this up, a parent or legal guardian must first create a standard PayPal account in their own name. This adult account will serve as the primary hub for all financial activities. Once established, the minor can then use this account for their online needs, always under the adult's direct supervision and with their explicit permission. This method ensures all transactions are legally compliant and secure, providing peace of mind for everyone involved. For the account to be fully functional, the adult's PayPal account needs to be securely linked to their personal bank account or a valid debit card. This crucial step enables the funding of the PayPal account and allows for the smooth withdrawal of money when needed. You can link up to 8 bank accounts and an unlimited number of cards, offering great flexibility. This ensures all financial movements are handled through established and trusted channels. With the account properly set up, the minor can then use it for various online activities, such as making purchases or receiving payments. It is vital to remember that all transactions and account activities remain the ultimate responsibility of the adult account holder. Therefore, consistent communication and regular monitoring between the minor and the adult are absolutely essential to ensure safe, secure, and responsible financial practices at all times.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.